Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to install Canva on Windows 11, so we can work more conveniently right from our desktop. Using the app gives us faster access to our projects and a smoother workflow. Now, on the Canva dashboard, to download it on Windows 11, all we have to do is click this mini profile logo in the lower left part here. Next, we just need to click Get the Canva apps. Now, we have to choose whether we are using Mac OS, iOS, Android, or Chromebook. Since we are using Windows, we just need to click this option. For Windows, simply click that one to start the download. Once downloaded, it will save to our computer. We just need to click Save. After saving, the application file will appear on our desktop or laptop. To install it, simply double-click on the file. Let's wait for it to load. As we can see, it is now installing. We just need to wait for the installation to finish, and it will be ready to use. And that's how we install Canva on Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. We are now ready to start creating designs right from our computer.